Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description that will take you straight there. You're also going to need a flat tip screwdriver, and ideally one that is the exact size of this slot is best. So what you want to do first is put your screwdriver tip in there, and you just want to push firmly and just give it a twist like that. That'll separate these two pieces. Next, you're going to want to take that same screwdriver and just place it here, and you can use that to pry the two halves apart. Okay, so this piece right here is very delicate. It's soldered to the circuit board, so you just want to make sure that when you're removing the battery, you just push right in just like that, so you're not actually twisting the board at all. So take your dead battery out, new one goes in positive side facing upward, and then you just want to clip all this back together, give that a good squeeze, and then this slides in just like that, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.